It's my 2-year Loc anniversary. Having locks, starting my loc journey was one of the best hair decisions I ever made. As you can see in this video, if you've been watching me, you know that I've gained some length and I'm so happy. And I can wear my hair in so many different styles. And it does not take long to change my style. As you see, I had my hair parted down the middle and had the sides pinned back. And I'm taking it down and I'm going to wear it with just the part down the middle. And then I can switch it up to a side part. It's just so, locks are just so versatile. One other thing about locks is you see me running my fingers through my hair. I just love running my fingers through my hair, but I'm not just doing it just because it's a thing you have to do to make sure your locks are not marrying. You have to pull them apart, run your fingers through it to make sure your locks don't merge together. If you have been following me long enough, you know that I locked my hair May 1st, 2021. But what you may not know is that I was about to be 46. Not sure when you're watching this video, but either I am 48 or will be turning 48 soon. I bring that up because with the right care, the right texture and density, you are never too old to start your loc journey. As you can see, I'm putting my hair in my signature favorite look, the 2 ponytails. I love my length now, but my goal is bra strap length, hopefully soon. Here's just a little journey down memory lane of how I started my locks and how they are going to end up. Like my middle part is fine, and from here to here is fine, and from here to here is fine. But in between, the parts are just not really uniform. For me, this is a great size. It's not too big, not too small. I can add a little water, a little oil, and curl it, do a braid out, twist out, whatever I want to do. And the length is getting a little bit hang time, so I love that. Check out my shirt, you guys. If you want one, you can get it at blackandbeautifulyou with the letter U.com. I love these scrunchy things. I'm not sure what they're called, but you can put them on and pull them off so easily. They don't leave dents in your hair, and they are great. You can get them on Amazon and at other stores. Okay, so I need you guys' help. I have 2 hats here that hangs on my wall, and I'm going to do a few looks and tell me, you guys, which look is your favorite. Here's look 1. Okay, so here's look 3. I have one more look. You guys pick your favorite and go to my Instagram or TikTok to see which favorite I chose. Leave your comment of which one you choose down below. Thanks for watching.